What's up guys, it's Craig here. You guys know my YouTube channel is all about finance, money and entrepreneurship. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Last week on Coffee with Craig, we went and we met the painting pig. We went to go meet Pigcasso. So if you haven't watched that video yet, I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to go and watch it. Because how amazing is it that a pig can paint? Make sure to destroy that like button. I need you to press like right now. I need it for the YouTube algorithm. The more you can click like, the more YouTube will show this video to more people. I want to speak to you a little bit more because we got to talk about money. We got to talk about what's trending at the moment, and Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is trending. It's not all just the friends reunion. We need to make sure we're doing the right things with our money. So in this episode of Coffee with Craig, in this episode, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about what is the news in the cryptocurrency space and Bitcoin. We're going to talk about should you be investing into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin in 2021. And then, if you stay right to the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what I'm invested in. So what's going on in the news with cryptocurrency and Bitcoin at the moment? Because there's been a massive bull run. We saw Bitcoin get to $64,000 as an all-time high. And right now, it's sitting at $35,000. So we saw these huge gains and a bit of a correction. And if we look at it, for the month of May, it was the worst performing month since September of 2011. That's a long time ago. That's 10 years ago. 10 years ago was the worst month. And we just had it right now. Bitcoin dropped 37%. But everyone's talking about cryptocurrency and talking about Bitcoin. Should you be investing in Bitcoin? My clients are asking me, the financial advisors are asking me, so we're going to cover it. But first, what has dropped the price of Bitcoin? Well, firstly, that crazy guy, Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, decides to tweet. And when he tweets good things about Bitcoin, the price goes up. When he tweets bad things, the price goes down. And right now, he turned around and said, Tesla will not be accepting payments on Bitcoin. Well, Tesla, we can't buy cars with Bitcoin anymore. Price starts to come down. On the back end of that, China is cracking down on mining because of the energy consumption when it comes to Bitcoin mining. So that's having another effect. And here locally in South Africa, SARS has just come out and they've said, we want to know the 3 biggest crypto exchanges, who is investing, who is trading, and who is mining. So if you haven't been paying tax on any of your cryptocurrencies or Bitcoin, SARS are going to be coming after you very soon because they need to make sure they're making money, and they realize there's been a massive bull run on Bitcoin lately. So there's a lot of news going on at the moment. But right now, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is still very, very new. We don't know what's happening and where this is going. But what I have found is people have FOMO. Most of the time, people are wanting to invest into cryptocurrency, into Bitcoin, is because they feel like they have been missing out. So should you be buying Bitcoin in 2021? Well, if I look at it, being a financial advisor and teaching people about finance for over a decade, when it comes to any investing, people are going to talk about the latest, greatest trend, whatever that might be. Right now, it's cryptocurrency, and it's going to be different things in the future. There's a couple things that I know. If you're going to be investing into cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, you have to rand cost average. Any investing that you're doing, you need to make sure that you're investing on an ongoing, regular basis. Same thing is true when it comes to Bitcoin. Rand cost averaging. Don't put all of your money into one investment. Don't put all your money into one share, one unit trust, one cryptocurrency. If you're putting so much money into that investment that you can't sleep at night, you're doing the wrong thing. When we look at cryptocurrency and we look at Bitcoin, it has to form part of your portfolio. If all of your money is going into Bitcoin, I can tell you now, you're going to wake up first thing in the morning, you're not going to check Instagram, you're not going to check WhatsApp, you're not going to check your emails, you are going to check your cryptocurrency trading account. Did it go up while you were sleeping? Did it go down? Because right now and forever, cryptocurrency is traded 24 hours a day. It trades, it moves all the time. So if you put all of your money into cryptocurrency or all of your money into Bitcoin, which is highly volatile, you are going to be stressed. You're going to stress that that market drops while you're even sleeping. So it needs to be a percentage of your investments. And why not? We don't know what's going to happen in the future. It could be the next biggest and greatest thing. It might go to zero. But the one thing that I do know, if we look back at it over the last 10 years, Bitcoin has grown by 331% in 10 years. That is a huge return, and that's what the problem is. People feel like they've missed out on making money. They feel like they've missed out on their chance of becoming the next billionaire and going and buying those Lambos. So is it too late? It could well be, because right now there's been a massive correction in the market. Maybe that's a good time to buy, or is it a sign of things to come in the future? One thing I know is if it's part of your portfolio, no more than 5% of your total net wealth, and it grows incredibly well into the future, you're going to make money. If it's 5% of your total net wealth and it goes to zero, it's not going to make a difference. So you might as well be in it, but as part of your financial plan, not all of your money, not all of your investments, not everything that you own. Don't bank the house on Bitcoin. That is not what you should be doing in 2021. If you haven't got invested yet, start something small, put away money on a regular basis, and learn what it's all about. And have some fun, because investment and finance should be fun. So Craig, what do you do with your money when it comes to cryptocurrencies? Well, I'll have you know, I started investing into cryptocurrencies all the way back in 2013. I found out about Bitcoin, I decided to do some research and start investing. Not only that, I ended up sending out a tweet to Robert Kiyosaki, asking him, what are your thoughts on cryptocurrency? And he ignored me. But maybe I was Robert Kiyosaki's rich dad, because right now a video has gone out on YouTube where Robert Kiyosaki just speaks about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and he broke the internet on it. So who knows who Robert Kiyosaki's real rich dad really is. So I got involved in 2013. I invested only into Bitcoin, all the way up to 2017, where I thought I need to start diversifying into different cryptocurrencies. So I got more involved in 2017. And what we saw in 2017 was a huge bull market. Cryptocurrency went crazy. All of my friends were saying, Craig, we are going to be buying Lambos. We are going to make so much money if we stay invested. And I thought to myself, if everyone is talking about Bitcoin, if everyone is talking about cryptocurrencies, now is probably the time to get out of Bitcoin. But I didn't. I wanted to get out of Bitcoin and go and rand cost average back into the market, because I thought if everyone's talking about it, it's probably not a good thing to stay invested in. And what happened in 2018? The market collapsed. There was almost an 80% drop in Bitcoin. And then in 2018, we saw a 73% drop in Bitcoin alone. And the altcoins, they dropped even more. And I realized, hey, I have to have diamond hands. I can't now sell when the market is down. So I had to wait. 2018, 2019, and right at the end of 2020, things started to pick up a little bit. Bitcoin got some momentum and started to grow after many, many years. And I realized I was able to stay invested into Bitcoin and into cryptocurrency because it formed such a small part of my total net wealth. I wasn't not sleeping at night because all my money was just in Bitcoin. Because it was a small percentage of my entire financial plan, I could wait it out through the dips in the markets. Then 2020 came and it picked up a lot. Now 2021, it went even more crazy. After 10 years, now in 2021, we have seen an average return of 233% year on year. Just Bitcoin alone. Now imagine you've invested in something that's grown by 233% every single year. You would have made some money if you invested all along the way. But as time's gone on, I realized once again, Bitcoin's got crazy. I need to diversify even more. So what I've done is I've moved things out of Bitcoin into other coins, but mainly actually into Ethereum. So right now, my biggest holding of cryptocurrency sits in Ethereum. Why? Well, I believe that Ethereum is almost the engine on which other cryptocurrencies, which NFTs and DeFi sits on. So if the blockchain itself succeeds into the future, Ethereum is going to succeed along the way. Do we know what's going to happen in the future when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto? No one does. We're not sure what's going to happen. But I want to be involved and I want to see where this goes. Because I feel like right now, cryptocurrency is in the space where the internet was in 2001. Not all those internet companies made it to where we are today in 2021. But the internet's still here. So my feelings and my thoughts are blockchain are going to make it into the future. And it's going to change our world. Will all the individual coins make it along the way? I don't know. Some of them will, some of them won't. But once again, I'm going to back most of my portfolio. I think it's 33% of my cryptocurrency sits in Ethereum. It's the biggest holding at this point in time. And I'm probably going to move some of the smaller altcoins into Ethereum. So Ethereum's going to be probably 60% of my portfolio, and Bitcoin will be the other 40%. So if you've enjoyed this video, we haven't just drank coffee and spoken about pigs and spoken about painting. We've got to speak about what this channel is all about: money, finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. So if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel so you can find out more about finance, and you're going to enjoy who our next couple of guests are on Coffee with Craig, because I'm very excited for the next couple. Until then, I'm out of here.